Number 4, use a discriminant to identify the conic section. 15y squared plus 15x squared plus 7y plus 23x equals 13. Now, the discriminant is the formula b squared minus 4ac. And we've learned there's 3 cases with this formula. The first case is if this formula is less than 0, the graph would be an ellipse or a circle. Now, how you know if it's a circle is if the a and c are the same. If it's equal to 0, it's a parabola. And if it's greater than 0, it's going to be a hyperbola. Now, what is a, b, and c? A refers to whatever's in front of the x squared. B is in front of the xy, and c is going to be in front of the y squared. So this should be our formula here when we look. Now, on this problem, I identify here, this is my A, this would be my C. There is no xy, so B equals 0. So you plug it into the formula. So we would have, when we plug in here, 0 squared minus 4 times A, which we said is 15, times C, which is also 15. 15 times 15 is 225. So negative 4 times 225, which would be negative 900. All that equals negative 900. You can check that with the calculator, but either way, we can see this is definitely negative. Since this is less than 0, it's an ellipse or a circle, and because these numbers are equal, A and C are equal, that's what actually makes it a circle. Now, if we're not sure, what we can do is we can go to our graph. So I will clear this out. And I'm going to go to Add Graph. And when you go Menu, Graph Entry, Equation, if you go down to conic, it'll give this general form like we had. Now, I remember I had 15 in front of the x squared, and I had 0 xy's, and I had a 15 in front of the y squared. Now, the rest of the equation I'll have to look at. We have 7 in front of y, 23 in front of x. So 23 in front of x, 7 in front of the y. And now they set their equation equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. We would actually move the 13 over here. So I'm going to take this 13, move it over, which makes it negative 13. So I'll come back over here. I'm going to type in negative 13. So when I hit enter, it graphs it, and we can see, in fact, that it is a circle. So we did do it correctly.